So that's the fibula. So that comes all the way down to the ankles. We want to make sure everything's in alignment, including the pelvis. Okay. All the way down, and then lift your head up to the sky. We'll drop. Okay. Okay. All right, good. Okay, thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
We'll drop here.
Yeah, they're cute.
Okay, let this drop.
Oh.
Ready? One more, so let that whole hip fall in, right? Let this go. Oh, yeah. Bend, let this whole thing sink down right here. There we go. Okay, good sound of this drop right here. There we go. Jeez. A little drop in here, just let that drop. There we go.
Whoa.